can't feel nothing at all.
Screw you, stupid desk lamp. Okay, so I'm gonna do a rap about pandas. You know why? Because pandas are awesome. You should rap about pandas. I mean, do you know many raps about pandas? I don't, so. Yeah, it's cool. You can see them. Alright, sweet. I eat bamboo, and I know kung fu, and what came after that? He's super fly. Excuse me, voice breaking. Don't be doing that. He's super fly. He's a panda guy. He will kick you right in the eye. What? Guest rapper. Tiny panda. Wait, what is your name? Oh, Wonton. Oh. Oh. Ty Beanie Baby, you are so creative with your, whoa, hello, you are a heavy necklace. You just slapped me in the chest. What? You know, Kung Fu Panda, he goes skadoosh, and if you don't like it, I will kick you in the moose. Time's up, over clouds, snap back to the reality. Oh, there goes Panda. He, oh, it's so sad, because he won't give up that easy. Something. Did I already say that? I don't know. But we're just gonna go with the flow. Because it don't matter, don't you know? Because this ain't Bobby's world. We just a bunch of crazy boys and girls. This video is pretty much gonna be rap because my internet has been stupid the past 3 or 4 days. I've been working and I have to sneeze and okay, it's that sneeze crawl back into feet. Rambling, random, blabbering, word vomiting all over this place and in your face like a can of mace. So I am Monday, and now I'm going to be going on my way, but you'll see me next week because I'm a geek, and this is what we do because we wonder nerds, it's true. So Tuesday, I'll see you tomorrow, and for the rest of you, sayonara! Yeah, I totally said sayonara wrong, just to make that rhyme, but you know rappers do it. I only do it like Thursday, bye! I can't do it like Thursday. Do 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 do. Okay, bye.